Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Opening Littlest Pet Shop Toys. And today I have two sets of LPS. The first set has two characters and the other set has one characters. And I'm so excited because this is super cool. And here's how the back looks like. I'm so excited to open them. I'm going to open this one first. Let's get opening. So I'm just going to tear the packaging so that we can get the toy. Here is the little trophy. Just popped out. So this is the front. The front has the doggy bone. It's like a cup. This dog is called Tessa Terrier. G4 LPS. Let's open the next pack. This pack comes with a lion and I don't know, something like that.
Okay, let's go, Maya. Let's go. Let's go. Come on.
Wait.
Oh my God.
I need to open this first. Hold on.
1, 2, 3,
Now this is the lion.
4,
The doggy bone.
6,
And just focus on it.
7.
Just wait. I want to open this. Go. Focus. Whatever. And then it also has a hat. Super cool. Clown hat, I guess.
Okay, let's go.
And then there's this flower. Wait! And then there's also this doll thing. So here is it. I can't get this out, but I'm sure I'll get this out with this. No. Wait! I need a scissors. So here we have the lion. The lion's name is, I don't know, but I'm gonna name the lion Lila. So, and then this thing is called, okay, I don't know what this is called, so I'm just gonna put the hat over here. I mean, over here. And then the flower over here. And the bone over here. Actually, lions don't eat bones, but who cares? Okay, so that's super cute. That's all for today, guys. Please subscribe, subscribe. You have to like this video and subscribe to my channel and leave comments about this LPS. Which one was your favorite? My favorite was the lion. So bye, guys. I love you.